Hi, my name is Kelsey Jacquard and I'm a product manager here at Hunter Industries. Using a string trimmer to edge lawn areas is a pretty common sight. Unfortunately, many sprinklers live right along their path, making the sprinkler nozzles vulnerable to equipment damage.
We have all seen split and cracked spray nozzles with distorted spray patterns, and even mini-geysers throwing water everywhere but the intended landscape. As a manufacturer in the irrigation industry, we are committed to making the most robust product possible while still staying cost-effective. In this video, we will show you how the Hunter Pro Adjustable Nozzles not only apply water more evenly with clean edges and large water droplets, but they also hold up better to tough daily conditions. Let's start by looking at the spray pattern. Here we have two 12-foot nozzles, or 3.7-meter nozzles, watering at the exact same pressure, using a 30 psi, or 2.1 bar, pressure-regulated Pro Spray pop-up. The competitor nozzle lacks definition at the edges, requiring overcompensation of the arc and more water to make up for the weak left edge. The water droplets are also very fine, no matter the arc, creating mist that floats away instead of delivering water to the target. The Hunter Pro Adjustable Nozzles have crisp, well-defined edges in any arc position, and the heavier droplet size gets the water onto the landscape instead of blowing away onto paved areas. The smooth spray pattern also means a more even application of water.
Now that we have seen the differences in the spray pattern, let's look at product durability. We want to set it and forget it.
Foot traffic and landscape equipment can potentially damage sprinklers. From lawnmowers to string trimmers, pedestrians to golf carts, sprinklers are expected to be strong as well as cost-effective. Just looking at the design, the Pro Adjustable Nozzle is as durable as they come. The easy grip top allows for simple arc adjustment while providing durability against equipment damage.
Now, let's see what a string trimmer actually does to these spray nozzles.
In this durability test, a string trimmer is held over the nozzles to see just how long it takes for them to break, causing water waste and the need for maintenance. This test illustrates how fast the nozzles disintegrate over time from equipment damage. Just see how fast the competition breaks. The Hunter Pro Adjustable Nozzle is robust enough to provide years of trouble-free operation, while the competition will lead to more maintenance calls. Nozzles themselves may be inexpensive to replace, but the real cost is your time and your client's perspective of service.
Here at Hunter Industries, we strive to make the most durable products at a competitive price.
Hunter Pro Adjustable Nozzles beat out the competition in both performance and durability, which makes a real difference in your day-to-day operations. With a complete line of adjustable, fixed, and specialty options, Hunter spray nozzles are ideal for a diverse range of landscape applications and come backed by the reliability associated with the Hunter name. If you are a Hunter Preferred Program member, earn even more points by using Hunter spray nozzles.
Find them at your local distributor or contact your local Hunter sales manager to give them a try. Thank you for choosing Hunter.